Welcome to Obello how-to videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a color pairing using AI. So this feature is super fun and very helpful if you are trying to create a large volume and variety of on-brand content. This feature works well with templates that have both just a single image and multiple images. For this demo, I'm going to use a single image template. So here I am in Obello's editor. I'm going to go to the color section in the left nav. I'm going to select generate pairings. So what's happening now is we are analyzing the image or images on the canvas to identify a dominant color. The system then generates a pairing using the brand approved colors that you've uploaded to your workspace. So this is an important point. Obello will never introduce additional colors into your workspace. So everything you do on Obello is always on brand. So let's pick the pairing that we think will work best. Okay, you have the option of light mode and dark mode. That looks pretty good. So let's try replacing this image to see how the recommended pairings change. So I'm gonna click on this image, gonna go replace media. Let's pick an image that is, let's pick this image here. I am going to go back to color in the left nav, and I'm going to refresh the AI recommended pairings. Great, as you can see, we've picked up on the dominant red and sort of peach color here. So let's try this pairing, again shuffling it light and dark mode. Try this one. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Super easy. If you're an admin or an editor and you don't want your team to stray beyond the approved pairings that you've established in brand rules, you can disable this feature in the controls page in settings. But that's it. That's how you create AI color pairings in Obello. Thanks for watching Obello how-to videos, and we'll see you in the next video.